Well, howdy boys and girls. I'm back with today's friendly life hack. This involves travel and travel with supplements or medications and how to organize these and make it fast and simple and not really invest in any containers or any complicated ways of dealing with it. Just something simple, hopefully with things you have around the house. Let's take a look. Okay, the items we need are supplements and prescriptions. We need one of these handy muffin tins. I like the miniature ones. It's easier unless you have lots of stuff to pack, in which case maybe this isn't going to work at all. But for the average person, these are great. These liners make life simple. I'll show you why. And they make these handy little bags that you can put your supplements in and keep them organized. You can also, these particular ones let you mark AM, PM, or other, or what day it's for, or things that are specific, easier to keep track of. But you can use any small plastic bag like this. We start by putting liners in. This takes a while. So I'm going to hyperlapse this thing and speed it up for you. But first we line them, because this makes it a lot easier to take them out and drop them into the baggie afterwards. Because I have done this a lot of times different ways. And frankly, trying to scoop them out of these and get everything is a pain. When you can just put liners in, drop these papers in, then take them out, stack them all back up and reuse them because they won't be dirty. They might have some little additional flavor depending on what you're putting in them. So let me speed this up. Here's 14. Let's assume you're going to be gone for 2 weeks. Okay, that's enough for now. The nice thing about the liners is, you open up your baggie, lift up the liner, and you just drop it. Then you can reuse the liner. All set. It's so simple.